Welcome to another useful video from Vitara Brezza Club. Friends, you may have noticed small scratches on your car, especially near the door handles. Today, let us see how to remove these scratches. The first product I am going to introduce is Mirror Glaze Professional Diamond Cut Compound 2.0. Let us take a few drops from this and rub it over the area. Rub it evenly for some time. You can see the scratches have disappeared. Now we will rub another product over this area to make it glossy and shining. This is called 3M One-Step Finishing Compound. Now you can see all the scratches have gone and it is shining as new. Let us check the price of these items. So the price for the Mirror Glaze Diamond Cut Compound 2.0 is 213 rupees. Now 3M One-Step Finishing Compound. It is about 192 rupees. You can buy it locally from any accessory shop and try it. Thanks for watching.